Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to be making that portrait text effect in Illustrator. Okay. Only thing we have to do is open up Illustrator, of course, and pull up our layer here. So we'll pull up this cool little picture right here, and what we'll do is see where we're at. Now, the next thing we'll do is head on over to our type tool, or you can hit T on the keyboard here, and we'll draw out a rectangle like so. Okay, I think that looks good. Let's eliminate all the text that's inside, and you can grab your text from anywhere you'd like. I think in this one I'm using the lorem ipsum, and hit Control V. I'll paste that. Now I want to make a bunch of copies so it can cover the entire section here. So I'll just continually hit Control V until that's done. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll change the font size here. Select all of our text and let's change the font size. Let's see, maybe about 24 should be fine. 24 might do it. Now let's change the actual font, and see, I've actually found out the font size when it's more of a blocky or a thicker font, it tends to work a little bit better here. So now that we have our font taken care of, now we can head on up to where it says type. Click on type and let's create outlines. So that is no longer live, and then we'll head up to object and go to compound path and click make. All right, so now we've consolidated the entire paragraph, if you will, and we are ready to take our next steps, and that involves, let's change the color here. Let's go to a darker color. I think that'll be good on the text. Now let's pull up our layer with the photo, click and drag and combine these two here, and then we'll head on up to object, go down to clipping mask and click on make. Select yes, and there we have it. Now we can see we made some progress there, but we want to make it just stand out just a little bit more. So what we'll do is we'll make another layer, pull this down to the bottom, and click M on our keyboard and pull on over. And there we have it. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So that's exactly how you make a portrait text effect in Illustrator. There it is. That's beautiful. Now, of course, you can use any font you want, song lyrics, whatever you like to do. So on that note, like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.